So igneous rocks. Igneous rocks will only have about 8 samples. Not about. We do have 8 samples. So when identifying igneous rocks is going to be completely different from your minerals. Because the thing about minerals is that one mineral is the same thing throughout, whereas rocks are made up of different minerals. Some more, some less than others. So in the igneous rock, so sample number 1, looks like that. So you have these little glassy fragments kind of embedded within that. When identifying igneous rocks, we're looking at, it's a different workflow. You'll have a worksheet that covers how to do that. But we're looking at texture and color. Texture meaning that the grains, can you see them? Yes or no? Are they big? Can you see them? Do you need a magnifying glass to see them? So like in this case, those black and white ones, you can see those readily as opposed to these where you can't. And all of this is kind of interpreting the environment in which it was created. So by identifying the grains and the characteristics, you can get an idea how it was formed. Was it above the ground or within the ground? So sample number 1. Sample number 2. Sample number 3. Sample number 4. So again, texture, there's no grains. It means that it was rapidly cooling. There's no time to grow those crystals. Sample number 5. And the sample number 5 in here, we're interested in some of the kind of like little holes that are kind of found throughout the whole rock itself. There's this one sample in here that looks like this is the only one that's not as smooth as the rest of them. So this is a little bit kind of sharp, kind of glassy, and again you have those little holes in them. They're known as vesicles. So when you pick up this rock, it looks like it's going to be heavy, but in reality it's actually light because of all those tiny holes that go throughout the whole rock. So that's sample number 5. And then sample number 6. So sample number 6, there's 2 different colors, or several different colors, kind of grayish, brownish, even slightly pink. But again, you can see some shiny pieces on there. Sample number 7. So the grains in this one, a little bit bigger. They come in various colors. So you have that one that's kind of pinkish, brown, or one that's a little black and white. And lastly, sample number 8 of the igneous rocks. At least this one, actually they're about the same type. They all look about the same. Okay, Those are your igneous rocks.